Let's find out how to install high-quality SPORTEC style or base fitness tiles in your next project. First, test and evaluate the substrate according to national standards before installation. The substrate must be dry, even, clean, stable, and free of cracks or defects.
For extra force reduction as well as acoustic and anti-vibration performance in heavyweight areas.
Use an underlay like SPORTEC Team Cup X or Supercell. Thanks to the weight of the tiles, the underlay can be loose laid.
When calculating your material needs, remember to add 3% extra for cutoff.
First, remove tiles from the pallet, flip them over, and let them acclimatize on site for 1 to 2 days before installation. Stack tiles no more than 6 high, finish to finish and dimple to dimple to prevent scratches. Room temperature should be between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius during the acclimatization and installation process. The 1 meter by 1 meter tiles are recommended to be installed in a staggered joint layout. However, if a cross joint is preferred for aesthetic reasons, it's also okay. Just pay attention in advance to dimensional tolerances. 500 by 500 millimeters and 1000 by 500 millimeters tiles are always installed in staggered joint pattern. These are the tools you need for installation. SPORTEC tiles up to 30 millimeters thick can be cut with a jigsaw, circular saw, bandsaw, or sharp knife. For thicker tiles of 40 millimeters or more, we recommend you use a handheld circular saw. Alternatively, you can also use a bandsaw or jigsaw. To start, mark a chalk line on the subbase in order to ensure a straight edge. Then, install the first tile, flush to the chalk line, and install the complete first row, placing the tiles tightly together with their connector pins facing the next row. Start the second row with full tiles installed in a staggered joint pattern. For curves or edges, cut tiles to fit. Use a Stanley knife with a straight edge or power tools to ensure precise cuts. Continue installing row by row in a staggered joint pattern to ensure stability.
Ensure that there are no gaps between tiles during installation by using a rubber mallet to close gaps and align the connector pins. Remember, all sides of the floor need to be butted up against a rigid support, such as a wall or border, to prevent tile movement. If necessary, use SPORTEC edge and corner ramps for any open edges. If needed later on, tiles can be easily removed and reused. Just remember to protect the connector pins during storage and reinstallation. Find out more about our products at sportecflooring.com.